already tell which one's going to be the easiest out of this one, because these also drive me spare. I don't even bother trying to open these a lot of the time because I just cannot get the strength to be able to open that. So this is directly knife, rip it open, and I never reseal it. I end up having to put whatever's left over in a Ziploc bag or something because it just doesn't work.
These packagings are a bit of a hit and miss for me. Cerebral palsy, I think it impacts everyone differently. Some days I can do a lot more than other days, and yeah, it depends on the situation and fatigue, weather, all kinds of factors. I would probably at this stage opt to get my scissors or a knife, because it's not working. So I'd opt to get an implement to open it.
So this packaging pretty much standard drill for supermarkets. Peel here, so what I try and do is bend the tab, just to give it a bit of flexibility. And if you come back in about 2 hours, I should have it done. So this is bending flexing the plastic back. I've got the plastic skin cover. Again, just a bit of weight and force. We've got a head fusion too. It's obviously not the best hygienic solution, but it's pretty workable. There you go, there you go.
It says peel here. See, I'm starting to go to Parkinson's off mode. Again, got into it. Partially. Sometimes I'll actually go and get a knife or a pair of scissors at this point and cut the rest. Because it's just really hard to pull. This though, that looks amazing. Look at this. That is a lot easier because it just gives you a much bigger thing to be able to get in for me. Oh, but then, oh no, it's not bad, that's good. Yeah, that, I reckon that's really good. I would reseal that, I would buy that.
Again, I'd probably at this stage opt to put my glasses on because I need to actually look at that a little better. Yeah, I feel that that is a lot of instructions to take on purely to open some elements. Again, I'd recommend my glasses. I'm happy to do or no.
I'm going to hand products and just trying to understand what the methodologies of the packaging. I'm not going to reseal that, so good blow. But I don't understand how the packaging was meant to work on that one. So it was
Let me have this one. When you're feeling better, and you, as I said before, when I'm not on a Parkinson's off, and I don't feel myself going in that way, this would probably be a fraction better than those ones, the previous. Yeah, definitely easier to get into.